What a nice slide! Wow! Pretty stuff like that!
Are you ready?
Go! Run! It's so exciting! Oh no! What's in it? Oh!
Cool! Wow, it's big!
Let's make it! Okay! Wahoo! Bravo! I'm so funny! Hooray! Good! What's next?
Big!
Can you hear the engine? Yoo-hoo! What's that? Good! It's so nice! I'm so looking for a tree. It's interesting! Nice seat! Cool! Oh! Hooray! Very good! Bravo! I'm so funny! Yoo-hoo! That's cool! It's almost finished. Great! Good job! Very nice! What's next? Bravo! It looks good! Perfect! It's a forklift. It's yellow. Wow! What shall we make today? I'm still looking for a treat. Oh, me too. Nice to see. It's interesting.
Wow, it's big!
Good job. There's a door.
Cool!
Yoo-hoo! Fantastic!
I'm so funny!
Yay! Great! Good! What's next? Look! Bravo! It's almost finished. Oh, yes! It's great! It's ambulance. What's next? It's my turn. Wahoo! Yay! Very good. The steering wheel is moving well. Now we can sit down.
Cool. Big.
That's amazing! Hey ho! Yahoo! Nice! Good job! Really nice! Great! Yay! I'm so funny! Oh yeah! Stop! Okay! Oh! It's almost finished. Good. It's school bus. Hey ho! Drill hole. I'm ambulance. I'm forklift. See you later. Ooh, it's green. They're car parts. Yes.
Big.
Good. It looks good. Good job! Can you hear the engine? Yeah! What is it? That's cool! That's a good one! It looks good! Wow, it's great! I like that! Nice seat! Hooray! Oh! It's a fun assembly time. Alright! Great! It's big! Perfect! Drill hole.